Meaning of Disney.
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 Disney. Disney is a multinational corporation that specializes in entertainment, media, and theme parks. It was founded in 1923 by brothers Walt and Roy Disney. The most famous aspect of Disney is its animated films and characters, such as Mickey Mouse and Cinderella. Disney has expanded to include multiple television networks, merchandise and product lines, and an extensive theme park empire. The company's dedication to family-friendly content and storytelling has made it a household name around the world, and its impact on popular culture continues to be felt today.